7 plus 3 equals 10, right? Minus 2 times 2 cubed. Now 10 minus 2 equals 8, right? Times 2 cubed. Now 8 times 2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Now 8 times 8 equals 64. But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Exponents come before multiplication. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, not 10 times 2 cubed, right? So now let's solve it correctly. Okay. Now first of all, inside the parentheses, 7 times 3, 7 plus 3 equals 10, minus 2 times 2 cubed. Now multiply first. 10 minus 2 times 2 cubed equals 8. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? Now multiply first. 10 minus 2 times 8 equals 16. And 10 minus 16 equals minus 6.